I also caught some discontinued Lucky Craft weight baits, 1.5. I think at the time they were $16.99. I think I paid around $17, $18. I checked eBay and these things are going for between $20 to $30 to $60, depending on which one of you guys are trying to sell these things for $60. Okay, you're being a little bit extreme. Not unless it's a different model. If it is a different model, I think it might be an RC. This is an LC. I think the RCs might be the ones that everyone's selling at a higher price. I am going to repaint one of these eventually. Right now it's in a Ghost Minnow. I really want to do one in a bluegill, even though bass only see the underneath side of it. I'm going to paint one. Then I also got some Whopper Cloppers. I may be doing a giveaway on these because I got so many of them. I got about 20 that I bought at a flea market. And I'm gonna sell a couple of them. I used them last year. I wasn't very successful with them. And I didn't record much last year at all. So this is the year I'm gonna do all of my recording. Hopefully you guys will like what I post. I also bought about 20 Megabass lures. Some for when I'm doing the tournaments and some for when I am fishing from the bank. Then I also have the KO model that I repaint and sell. So yeah, couple of Megabass. You can find these on eBay around 15, 16 bucks maybe. I've seen some with the round eye. I guess they're discontinued up to about 50, 60 bucks. I could be wrong, but I know that those are discontinued and they are going to sell for a pretty high price. So another thing I ordered off eBay, it is Black Moon bag. This is a compact model. I am kind of nervous to see what the large model looks like. It has, of course, pockets on both sides, 2 sets of pockets, and it looks like it's got a split in the middle. Well, with 2 sets of pockets, I'm definitely gonna put line on this side, probably line on that side, probably a reel back here, maybe a reel back there. It's got a pocket in the front. This thing's so weird. It's got a lot of pockets going on here. Zipper. Oh, geez. Okay. More pockets for soft plastics. The only soft plastic I like to use is a Lizard. And for some odd reason, it works for me versus everything else. And I'm gonna go over that in one video and show you guys the Lizard versus everything else. For some odd reason, the Lizard is killer. So anyways, this thing has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not even gonna count them. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this thing's on a 3-ring binder. Oh, there's more of them coming out. Okay? It's 5 of those. So we have 10 here. 12. 3-ring binder, I'm not feeling that. Oh, and there's another pocket in here? Man. Short pocket. I guess this is gonna be my soft plastic area. I do have another bag, I call it the boat bag, for my one-man boat. We're gonna get into that eventually. This now to the bag split. I got this for a really good price too, and it's new. New with the tag. No argument there. Okay, so I did, someone did tell me that these were supposed to come with trays. I don't have any. Well, this didn't have any. I went and bought some. And I was told that 35.50 trade would fit perfectly. Let's see if that's true. That is true. I like that. Now it's got my interest. That front with all of those 3-ring binder things, I wasn't feeling that. I wonder if I could take it out without messing it up. Check and see. I'm not gonna do that on the camera. Back has some memory foam on the straps and on the actual backpack part itself. And then it also has another pocket. Don't tell. Is this an actual pocket or is this just, okay, all right. I don't know what anyone would put in there. A notebook or something, who knows? But yeah, Black Moon bag. Real fancy. Sorry for all the shaking. I don't have one of those fancy Heroes yet. I will eventually get one down the road. It's not a priority right now. Last but not the least, I ordered some rods from Japan. They came probably about 3-4 days ago. And I opened it just to make sure that they were in there, but I wanted to open it on camera so that everyone can see and make sure that I'm pronouncing it correctly. If I'm not pronouncing this correctly, don't kill me. Comes with an actual rod bag. These are travel rods, by the way. This is for when I'm doing my bank fishing and solo fishing by myself for the most part. And it is called Zodius? Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Zodius. I got 3 of them. I got a medium heavy, and a big finesse fishing for the Alderberry, which I do look forward to mixing them up. They were wrapped a little bit better than this too. Like I said, I opened it just to make sure that they were in there, or all 3 were in there, or if I was having to wait to see if any of the other ones are coming. So I'm gonna start with the medium. If you guys know anything about these rods and know what reel it should work with, definitely comment. I am all for advice. I will respond to comments that actually have stuff to do with fishing. I notice in some of the pages I've been watching, people are being like jokesters, saying put this with that, or, you know, just being silly. So, I think this is the right one. Yeah. We got a Chronarch matched with a Zodius medium 2-piece. And man, did I hit something? Wow. I'm about to break the rod before I even go fishing. Okay. Alright, that's the one Zodius. This is the Bait Finesse fishing model that I'm going to put with the Aldebaran. So here's a question for you guys who are watching. What pound test should I put on this Aldebaran? And should it be braid with a fluorocarbon leader, or straight fluorocarbon, or straight braid? What would you guys use? I'd like a little input, because this is my first Bait Finesse fishing rod and reel. I'm usually a jerk bait, crank bait, spinner bait, kind of person. The only thing I guess you could say religious bait finesses. I don't use a weight or anything when I fish with that. Especially when I fish like that, I'm testing the pond or the lake or the river to see if the fish are in that area. And it's usually my last resort. Would definitely be that lizard. I look forward to throwing maybe the lizard on this because I actually throw that lizard on the Scorpion DC because it seems like it's the only bait casting reel that I have that can actually throw that. But this thing is freaking light. I went to put it down without even showing it. Yeah, but that is light. Yeah. One other thing, I cast with my right, even though I am right-handed. Technically, you're supposed to use the opposite side, but my accuracy with my left is horrible. Or no, yeah, my accuracy with my left is horrible. And for some odd reason, I can jerk a jerkbait better with my left hand than my right hand. Don't ask me why. Weird like that. So it looks like I have some extra reels. I might sell two. I'm not 100% sure. But this right here is the medium heavy, which I'm going to pair with a slower Chronarch. I haven't used these yet, so if you have any input on these as well, definitely let me know. I noticed this one is still spinning. Maybe it needs some glue. This one wasn't, the guy said they were all new. This one I feel like it's definitely used. I don't see any cracks or splints or any cuts or anything on it. Looks new, just not right there. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go with the slower model for my smaller swim bait stuff. Here. The fact that spins that long, scary. You guys let me know what you think of those Chronarchs as well. And if you own an older variant, let me know what line to use on that. But this is what I have for 2020 starting. When I get ready to load up that bag, I'm gonna post a video of some of the lures that I chose for 2020 to use. And if you guys have any suggestions, definitely leave them in the comments. I look forward to advice. Thank you. Have a good one.